Alright, so make sure you put down today's date. Our lesson is about the millions. Our learning goal is we're going to learn how to read, write, and expand 7 to 9 digit numbers. Well, same thing as before. We're in a new period. When we put a number in here like 411, we say the number, then say where the number lives. This is 411, and it lives in the million period. So we say 411 million. So now let's go and let's look at standard form. You remember what standard form is? The only thing we do is we write the digits. So 128, where does it live? 128 live with the million. So 128 million, 274, where does 274 live? 1,000. And then 333, because remember the ones are cool. So here is a practice problem for you to try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't forget to put those commas between each period. So now let's look at this in word form. So I am going to type this. So now we have the number 100 TWENTY. Where does 128? Where does it live? Million. 414. Where does 414 live? In 1,000. So 414,000. And then the cool people, 313. And that's how we say that number in word form. Let me go back to my pen. Now, and here's another practice problem for you to try in putting a number into word form. So now let's look at expanded form. You remember, a million has 9 digits, so we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because a million has 9 digits. We're putting it into expanded form. Remember, we're expanding that number out. So 20 million, 8 million, 400,000. See how I'm lining everything up. 10,000. 4,000, 300, 10, and 3. You remember that if we take this, I'm going to change the color, and if we circle those digits, we will get our number back in standard form. 128,414,313. And here is a practice problem for you to try. Now, so let's look at expanded notation. Let me make some space here, because this is a big number. So remember, in expanded notation, we have 1 million, right? 100 million. Well, how many 100 millions do we have? We only have one. That's going to give us 100 million. So we look at the 10 millions digit. So we have 10 million. And how many 10 millions do we have? 2. And that's going to give us 20 million. Millions? How many millions do we have? To give us 8 million. Then same thing. We have 100,000. How many do we have? 4. To give us 400,000. 10,000. 10,000 times, how many do we have? 1. So that's going to give us 10,000. Thousands, how many thousands do we have? So we have 4,000. We're in the hundreds place now. So we have 100 times, how many do we have? 3. To give us 300. Then 10, how many tens do we have? We only have 1 to give us 10. And then ones, we only have 3 to give us 3. And what you see when we do that, we still end up with that same number. Written in standard form. And your practice problem for you to try, which is the same one, and that is